The Legally Branded Academy 2.0 is the first process-based intellectual property protection system in the market worldwide. I've spent years thinking about how companies can best manage their IP issues without a dedicated in-house IP resource. Very early actions a business takes often have the most significant IP implications from a risk management point of view. It can already be too late once the business turns to its lawyers about IP protection or discovers the IP deficiency in its past actions. Legally Branded is relevant to an international audience because it's not a law course. Expensive one-to-one legal advice is replaced with processes which embed IP best practice and education. By using the processes to train team members, a company protects its IP seamlessly. For example, here is a copyright process to use a template at the start of projects. This protects the company and flags it up if a conversation and legal advice is needed. Or there is this video that explains how to use IP symbols. For larger international companies who may want more detail, there is this further information about international use in part 2 of the video. The trademark section explains what type of name to pick when branding and why. It also covers how to do basic research on a short list of names. Marketing departments, entrepreneurs, design agencies, etc. only choose 1 or 2 new names a year, so they need access to this sort of information to be able to choose wisely. A solid process is provided, including over-the-shoulder style instructions on how to pick classifications and how to do basic IP register searches. This is vital before handing over to lawyers for final clearance searches and registration. This is not a course about replacing lawyers. It's simply the best way for organizations to manage IP risks and opportunities and avoid mistakes. Using Legally Branded Academy 2.0 is the most appropriate and cost-effective way to protect companies when they're trialing new concepts, starting up, and for ongoing day-to-day business progress. The processes teach them what they need to know. They'll save time and money by not needing to undo earlier ill-considered actions and decisions. Legally Branded Academy is my flagship online IP course. It reflects a methodology I've developed to help organizations introduce simple processes to ensure their IP is protected on an ongoing basis as the business grows and expands. Intellectual property is invariably where the value of a successful business lies, albeit sometimes the IP in some assets may not initially be appreciated. To avoid unpleasant hidden surprises that might, for example, prevent a business exploiting a valuable asset, involves introducing simple measures to secure IP in business assets as they're created. It solves the problem of how to put in place solid foundations to train the team and manage this most important asset class.